Okay, so now we are going to send a Nano transaction. We're going to send, and we need sending address. I'm going to send to myself. Paste that there, and that's the receiving address. And we need the previous hash. Press that button. We can double check this. EAC. Previous hash EAC. And the representative 18SH. Yes. And the current balance should be 1 nano. Double check that balance. Yeah, it's the same. Okay, so I'm going to send 1 nano. And we have block hash. Let's copy that to this offline computer. And sign it using the private key. We have the signature. Copy that here. And we create the proof of work. And we have the block. We publish. And the block hash 327 should be here. 327. And we have a new pending transaction that we are going to receive in the next guide.